Hey crew, welcome back to the channel. Today's video will be a paid promotion video by Sakuchi. We have a Sakuchi green air fryer. It's a large 5.8 quart air fryer. It's also 10-in-1 digital air fryer with 10 preset cooking programs. Also have a LED touchscreen, auto shut off. Once it's finished cooking, it automatically shuts off. The pot is dishwasher safe, and it's a non-stick tray basket. So here we have the power button, and you see that everything is digital. Here go the 10 preset cooking programs. Okay, you have the steak, shrimp, fish, chicken, bacon, fries, cake, vegetables, and this is dehydrate mode if you need to dehydrate vegetables or fruit, whatever you want to do. And you have the pizza cooking mode here, and these are the indicator lights on both sides. This plus sign will increase your temperature, and you can lower your temperature. And the highest it go is 400 degrees. The lowest it go is 160 degrees. And over here you have your time setting. You can hit it to increase it by 1, and you go down. And you have your pause and start button here. And all this is non-stick, y'all, remember. Also, I will have a discount code for y'all in the description box below if y'all would like to order one. And they come in green, red, and black. Okay, crew. So like I said, we're going to do a piece of fish in our Sakuchi air fryer. So we have a piece of catfish here. And we're going to start off with black pepper, salt, and we just want to test drive our air fryer, see how it works. Then this is my all-purpose seasoning. So we're gonna open up our air fryer, and we have our catfish here. We're gonna simply place our catfish in here. We're gonna close it. We're gonna hit the power button. But then we're gonna hit the fish button, and it's gonna be at 360 for 18 minutes. We simply hit the start button, and our fish is cooking. And that was the countdown and the auto shut off. So let's open it up. It's been 18 minutes for our catfish at 360 degrees, and let's see what it looked like. There we go. And it's non-stick. Like it moves around in there. So y'all can see that it moved. So we're gonna take this out and put it on a plate. So here's a close-up of the fish. Alright crew, so I have to be 100% real with y'all. I love this product. It's a nice air fryer and it's definitely worth your money. It's completely up to y'all if y'all want to order one or not. Coming from me, it's worth it. Trust me. And you can't beat the price point. It's cooked to perfection. You see the juices dripping. Okay, crew. This is the end of the video. I would like to thank Sakuchi for reaching out and working with me on this video, and thank them for just giving me the opportunity to review their product and to share their product with you all. And like I said, I will leave the link in the description box below, and the discount code is POPS15. And y'all already know the saying, Pops out. Catch y'all in the next video. Peace.